Imagine traveling 3 billion miles away from the warmth of the sun. Can you feel the cold? We've reached the edge of the solar system. Here, at the edge of light, the sun is a dim, distant star. It no longer brings life. It's just a faint flicker in a sea of black. This is Neptune. The quiet guardian of the deep. It wasn't found with a telescope alone. It came from exact math and steady calculations. For centuries, a ghost tugged at Uranus's orbit. A shadow in the dark, pulling at the fabric of space. When astronomers finally turned their lenses, there it was. A blue jewel hidden in the shadows for ages. Neptune has completed only one orbit since humans first laid eyes on it. Imagine moving through the frozen vastness in complete silence. Don't let its calm surface fool you. Beneath that sapphire veil, Neptune is a workshop of wild weather. It holds a striking record, the strongest winds we know in the solar system. Storms here don't just blow, they scream. The winds roar past 200 miles per hour, faster than sound. If you stood in them, your body would be torn apart before the wind's roar reached your ears. Where does this energy come from? Far from the sun, everything should be frozen. Yet Neptune gives off more heat than it receives. A hidden furnace glows deep inside, warming storms that could swallow Earth whole. In 1989, Voyager 2 saw a nightmare, a vast, Earth-sized hurricane called the Great Dark Spot, a bottomless whirl of chaos. Years later, the Hubble telescope checked again and found nothing. Then it appeared somewhere else. Neptune's storms are not long-lived giants like Jupiter's red spot. They are ghosts. They rise from darkness, swallow what they can, and then vanish. No one knows why. Neptune is a planet that breathes, and its breath is made of shadows. As you go deeper past the screaming winds, the pressure grows and the weight becomes crushing. Thousands of miles beneath the clouds, something strange happens. Neptune's gravity squeezes carbon so hard that it becomes diamonds, big crystals falling through a fiery ocean. Imagine it, a sky that rains precious stones only to melt into a bright, electrified sea. This world is full of impossible contrasts, a surface of ice, a core hotter than the sun's surface. Its magnetic field adds to the mystery. On Earth, compasses point north. Neptune's field is tilted, bent, and off-center, as if the planet's heart is broken. This invisible force shapes a warped shield that interacts with the solar wind in ways we still don't fully understand. Neptune is also a thief. Its largest moon, Triton, began life as a wanderer from the Kuiper Belt until it was captured. Triton is an icy world with volcanoes and surface temperatures near absolute zero. It moves in the opposite direction around Neptune, a slow march toward destruction. Sooner or later, Neptune's gravity will tear Triton apart, turning it into a vast, dark ring system for the king of the abyss. Beyond Neptune lies only the endless void of space. This blue giant serves as the last beacon before the total darkness. It reminds us how small we are and that the universe isn't built for us, a place of extreme cold, thunderous winds, and crushing silence. At the edge of the world, there's no one to catch us if we fall. There is only the abyss.